Welcome to Qingdao Leichi Fish and Tackle Company.
Qingdao Leichi Fishing Tackle Company, built up in 2005, is the best fishing tackle supplier in China. We are the audited winner of the New Star Golden Supplier of Alibaba and the #1 supplier of outdoor sport category. As the Vice Chairman Company of Qingdao Chamber of E-Commerce, reported by Financial Daily newspaper. We are also the member of China Fish Show for 8 years.
Welcome to Leichi. We are a company who are dedicated for fishing tackle business for 10 years, with the dream of to grow together with all of our customers to become the best fishing tackle supplier from China. For the last 10 years, we developed from nothing to a team of 30 people and $5 million sales volume per year to cover a full range of fishing tackle products. We sincerely hope to offer more support to the customers who trust us. We hope you can give us a chance. Thank you.
Hello everybody, this is our warehouse. This is our fly rod warehouse. Both the top class fly rod made of Torii carbon from Japan and the most cost-effective fly rod made of SK carbon from Korea are all available. This is our fly reel stock, as the #1 supplier of fly reel in China. We cover all the range in the market, from the very cheap fly reel to starter, to the very top quality sealed drag system saltwater fly reel. We also keep the widest range of stock for fly line, flying box, and all kinds of accessories. You can find everything you may need, and what we offer is really one-stop total solution for fly fishing.
All of our products were carefully checked before shipment. We guarantee the quality for our customers. All of the products were packed carefully to save shipping cost, and also make sure they are delivered safely. We ship out thousands of parcels every month, so we are top VIP for most of the shipping company. The shipping cost we can get is the lowest available in the market.
We reply to our customers in 24 hours.
I like my work, I like my company.
I love to serve for my customers.
Product.
Each product designed with my heart.
If my customer is